So we're up on top of the top roof here. You can see the view over the valley. And it's been on for 2 years, and I noticed that we had a spot here where it looks like the wood buckled up a little bit. So it created a seam here. So I'm going to first put a screw in. I had screwed down this piece of wood here before, and you can see the screw right here is one. And so maybe I just didn't put them close enough, so this spot popped up. So I'm going to first screw that down, and then we're going to Gaco tape over top of it and take care of that. Now the other thing we noticed, for some reason there's a few spots where an animal, we think, maybe a bird, has taken some of the silicone roofing off. I don't know if they're trying to eat it or what. So I'm going to Gaco tape them, and hopefully they learned their lesson and got indigestion or whatever and are not doing it anymore. So we got the Gaco tape up here. We're wearing sunglasses because it's really bright. And we'll finish this project or get this taken care of before it becomes worse.